Okay, now let me share the screen. Acha, up to 8 we have completed, na?
Yes,
Then
ma'am. 8 was done.
done. Okay, here is only up to 8. Just wait for a minute. Acha, look at this. The screen is hazy or it is visible properly.
Ma'am,
Visible.
in my pen it is visible.
Acha, acha,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, no
Ma'am,
need to shout, no need to shout. Okay, you can zoom in or out accordingly. Then I think all the numbers will be visible to you. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Question number 9. Let me zoom in. All of you open the book. It will be far better for you because the question, you can read the question from your book. Just listen. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 4 and 8. Question number 9. By 4 and 8. So as we know the rule, okay, yes, as you are new student, so it will be a problem for you to understand all the things, okay? So don't worry, just see the video, okay? In every class, we teachers upload video, okay? So see the video till yesterday, okay? Then I think it will be clear. And after that, if you face any problem, tell me in class, I'll explain, okay? Achha, now the rule of divisibility 4 and 8. Basically, if any number is given, yes, same.
Ma'am, I am Tamanna. I was telling that in yesterday you have given standard force video.
Yes, that I told so. By mistakenly, I have uploaded standard 4 video. Okay, don't worry. Today I'll upload yesterday's video and today's. Okay. Now listen to me, everyone. No disturbance. I don't want to get disturbed. Okay. During making you understand, no one will talk. If you have any queries related to this sum, then only will talk. Now listen. For this question, 81,005. Yes, you are the new student, so listen. Rules of divisibility by 4. By 4 means just look at the last 2 digits. It is 05 and check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. If yes, then the total number is also divisible by 4. If no, then the original number or the given number is not divisible by 4. And the same thing for 8 also. But in case of 8, we are taking last 3 digits. In case of 4, last 2 digits. In case of 8, last 3 digits. Now just check it.
Ma'am, please zoom out. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now number 9B is there. Okay, the missing questions are your homework. Okay. Acha, I'll create the assignment today. You will upload this homework also. Okay. Look, I have done B, D, F. So A, C, E is your homework. Understood too? Now look at this. I am doing number D. It is 15,164. Look at this one. This place. This is 64 divisible by 4. Hence, the given number is also divisible by 4. Now, what to write here? We have written the number to by 4. The rule I am writing. Last 2 digits. (64), which is divisible by 4, which is divisible by 4. Okay, Hence, 15,164 is divisible by 4.
But ma'am, I have written in another way. Ma'am, can I tell?
The meaning must be same, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Meaning is same. But I have done means at first I have done with 4, then 8. Then I have written that hence the number 15,164 is divisible by 4, but not by 8.
Not by 8. Okay. Acha, now for 8, this one is by 4, right? Now for 8 I am doing here, by 8. We are checking it by 8. So we have to look at the last 3 digit. It is 164. Now check, this one is not divisible by 8. So just write not divisible by 8. Hence, 15,164 is not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 8. Okay, just complete it. Next, number F. At first, make sure that you have completed up to this. Then I'll start number F.
Yes, ma'am. These are completed.
No, ma'am. Please wait.
Ma'am, I'm done. No, ma'am. I'm writing the by 8.
By 8. Achha, I have not written the full word, So not divisible. I have just written this one, It will be divisible by 8,
Ma'am.
Yes, mute yourself. Yes, same.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, but as ma'am, here, ma'am, as ma'am, 4 into 2, 8. So, ma'am, why it will not divisible by 8?
Yes, I am going to explain. Just wait for a minute. All of you completed up to this?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No. Shuhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you completed though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now stay muted. Look. Acha, 8 is equal to 4 into 2. Okay. So if any number, that means look, 4 and 2 are the factor of 8. So 8 is the greater number. Yes, Tom. So if any number is divisible, if any number is divisible by 8, then that number is also divisible by 4 as well as 2, as they are factor of it. But in case of multiple, if any number is divisible by 4, then that number is may not divisible by 8, because 8 is greater 1, okay? And that is multiple. Okay. So in case of factor, you can say, if any number is divisible by another number, then that number is also divisible by that number's factor also, but not multiple. Understood though? Yes. Okay, now am I audible to you or not?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now number F I am doing, huh? First make a bullet. By 4. Okay, what is the last 2 digit? That is 48. Which is divisible by 4. Acha, I am just writing in this way by 4. Then I am putting tick mark. That means divisible by. Okay, yes. When I'll put cross mark, then not divisible. Understood though? But you have to write the full word, huh? Divisible by 4. Okay.
But ma'am, I have done ma'am purely in another way, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. Okay. Just I'll check your copy. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, now here we can write hence the number that is 12,648 is divisible by 4. Okay, now for 8, give heading by 8. Acha, we have to take last 3 digit. The number is what? 12,648. Now last 3 digit we have to check. Last 3 digit. That is 648. This one is divisible by 8.
Yes, ma'am. Divisible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 8 8 is 64, then 8 1 is 8, right? So it is by 8, it is divisible. So I am just putting this tick mark, right mark, okay? Hence the original or the given number 12,648 is divisible by 8. This one 4, huh? Is divisible by 8. Complete it fast.
Ma'am done.
Ma'am done.
Ma'am done.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Huh? Complete it.
Done.
I'm done.
Ma'am done.
Question number, acha, 11 is there, okay? 10 is not there, acha, 10 is in this way, okay? You are not going to do in this way, okay? Look, by 5 and by 10. Okay. Acha, by 5, look, this one is divisible by 5 as the unit place digit is 5, okay? So divisible by 5, yes. But by 10,
No, ma'am. Not.
no, not, because
Ma'am, zero is not.
0 is not in the unit place, okay? But here look, it is 0 in the unit place. Unit place digit is 0. Right? So it will be divisible by both 5 and 10. It is by 5 also, by 10 also. Done? You can write the statement by your own, I think. Just write as the unit place digit. I am writing for F. Here, unit place digit unit place digit is 5. Hence, the number divisible by 5 but not by 10. Yes, to?
Yes, ma'am. Not by 10.
Devolin, you told me this one, so at the time of question number 9, you have written divisible by 4 but not by 8 in this way, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, is there no number which is divisible by 10 but not by 5?
No, because 5 is a factor of 10, though. So if any number is divisible by 10, then that number must be divisible by 5 as well as 2. Because 5 2s are 10, okay? The same thing, suppose for 12, 3 4s are 12, now. If any number is divisible by 12, then it should be divisible by, must be divisible by 3 as well as 4. Okay, so understood too?
Okay, ma'am.
Amitrajit, done. Okay. This one completed, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, no, ma'am
ma'am.
is saying. Who is saying no?
Ma'am,
Who have
no,
not
ma'am.
completed?
Me.
Acha, okay, complete it. I am waiting.
Ma'am, please zoom out.
Yes. At first complete this then, okay?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Not done.
Okay, I am waiting to
Ma'am,
complete
done.
it. Shinjini, Ashmita, Oishi, done to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anuba, Sneha, Rifa, or Pon, done?
No, ma'am, I am writing the
Yes,
last
yes.
one with
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I also.
Sneha, write first.
Completed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Shobhajit
I
is
am
there
also
in
done.
the class or no?
I'm done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Okay.
done.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Acha,
I'm
now
done.
let me move for question number 11. Okay, I have already removed. Now let me move for question number 11, which is very much important. 11 and 12. Okay. Acha, number 11 it is given. Yes. Number 11 it is given. Test the divisibility by 11. Okay, acha, Yash, the rule of 11 already I explained. Okay. You were not present at that class. Acha, rules of 11 means, suppose I am doing a number D. Okay, D, E, F is done over there. Okay, D, E, F. Okay, now look at this. Number E I am explaining. The number is given. Acha, the solutions are done over there. Okay. So you can write it. Now let me explain numbers E. The number is given. I am writing it. Okay. Look at this. This one is the number. Now how to check? Yash, just listen to me very carefully. We have to take even place digit and odd place digit. Okay. Even place digit means the digit which are situated in even place. That means one gap. Okay. Look, first we are taking 6, then just give one gap. Okay. Then 5. Then again give one gap, then 0. Then again give this gap and then 8. So this is called odd place. Why? Because this is first position. So starting from 1, that's why, and 1 is odd number. So this is odd place. Okay. Now we have to add this odd place digit first. So sum of odd place digit is, acha, here I have not written odd place, even place. Huh? You can mention it, or if you don't want, no issue. Just you can show, you have to show it. Acha, then odd place digit will be 6 plus 3 plus 0 plus 8. So it will be, just we have to add them, okay? Now 6 plus 3, 9 plus 8, it will be 17. Okay, acha, 6 plus 5 it was, na? I have written 3, just wait for a minute. This one will be 5, huh? Then it will be 19. Okay? Odd place. Now what will be in even place? Look, the circled number. 2 plus 3 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 3. It will be 8. Now we have to find the difference. This 19 minus this 8. If we subtract it, what will be the resultant value? The subtraction, that will be 19 minus 8. That is equal to 11. So
Yes.
we have to now, yes, just even place addition and odd place addition. Okay, then their subtraction. Okay, now look, the result is what? 11. So now we have to check whether this one is a multiple of 11 or not. That means this one is divisible by 11 or not. Look, this is the 11 itself. So if we divide this by 11, then we'll get the 1.
Ma'am, 11 was 11.
11, 1 is 11.
Hence the number is
So-
divisible by
Divisible by 11.
Exactly.
divisible.
Hence, is divisible by 11. Okay.
And ma'am, if the subtraction is only 11, subtraction value, then only it will be divisible by 11, not any other number.
No. It can be 22, 33, 44.
It's multiple.
Multiple of 11.
Oh, multiple can be also. Okay, ma'am.
Multiple, yes.
55, 66.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, look, here it is 4. The subtraction. Yes, look at this. Here I have taken odd place and even place. Then I have got the sum of them. Okay, after that I have made the. Acha, now yes, there may be one question that odd place digit is 15, even place digit is 19. Now how can you subtract 19 from 15? This one less number, na? No need to think about this. Okay, just find their difference. Okay, 19 is greater, so always just subtract the lesser number from the greater one. It doesn't matter that you have to take odd number first, then even. Okay, just 19 minus 15. It will be 4, which is not divisible by 11. Done to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Done.
Complete this fast.
Ma'am, done.
What sound is coming?
Ma'am, when will
I have not completed.
Acha, wait. I am waiting for 1 minute. Sneha completed? Ujan, beta,
Yes, ma'am.
completed?
Ma'am, I have completed. I can show.
Shafin, Junaid, done to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
What? Done. Huh?
Done.
Done, dear.
And
Ma'am,
every day,
complete.
Shurjashish, I can only see your fan, not you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now
Yes, now I can see you. Acha, okay. Now, question number 12. Test the divisibility of the following. numbers by 12 and 15. Okay. Question number 12. All of you open it. Question number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
please. Here what to do by 12 and by 15. Okay. Am I audible to you properly?
Yes, ma'am, audible. But ma'am, have you shown the 12th one? Because I can see it. I think your screen is paused.
No, just wait for a minute. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see that.
now it is visible though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Acha, look. First C and D complete. I have done C, D, E here. Huh? You have to do A and B at home. Okay. A and B at home. I have done C, D. Acha, look at this. In number C, what to do? Just don't do copy paste. Huh? But we have got the solution. We have started to write. Okay. No, don't do this. At first try to understand. Huh? Acha, by 12 though. So 12 is a composite number, not prime. Now we have to break it in such way so that in the multiplication of in the product of two numbers, so that two numbers will be co-prime of each other. Look, if we write 3 4s are 12. Basically 4 is not prime, but 3 and 4, these two are co-prime na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Only one common factor.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
is the common factor. Yes. So how to check now? The number is given. Let me write the number. It is visible though.
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Yes, ma'am.
This one, this is the number. Now how to check this one is divisible by 12 or not? First we will check this one is divisible by 3. Then we will check this one is divisible by 4 or not. If just like 6, the rule of 6 na, 2 into 3, we are checking by 2 as well as 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6 na? Yes though?
Yes, ma'am. Both.
Yes,
Exactly.
ma'am.
That same thing we have to do. First we have to check this one is divisible by 3 or not. Then this one is divisible by 4 or not. If by both, then it will be divisible by 12. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, now then,
You can repeat again this one.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, definitely. Look, basically we are going to check whether the number is divisible by 12 or not. Let me write the number. Okay, 12 and 15. At first, let me explain 12. Huh? Now, directly we will divide this big number by 12. No, there is a rule for 12. 12 is equal to, look, just break it into two numbers so that two number will be co-prime of each other. Up to this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
3 4s are 12. Now what to check? We have to divide this number first by 3. Okay? Step 1. Then step 2, we have to divide this number by this 4. Okay? Step 2. First by 3, then by 4. Is it clear? Up to this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, if this number
Yes,
is
ma'am.
divisible by 3, suppose yes, divisible by 3, done. And by 4 also yes. If this number is divisible by both the number 3 and 4, then only it will be divisible by 12. Now this one clear up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose.
Clear.
Okay. Now keep quiet. Suppose divisible by 3, this is the done. Yes, by 3. But by 4, it is not divisible by 4. Here cross. Then it will not divisible by 12. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. All of you to Auditro, Arpon? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Acha, 15 is also same thing. What? 15 means 3 into 5 na? So we have to first take it by 3, then by 5. Okay. Exactly. If it is divisible by both of them, 3 and 5, then only that number will be divisible by. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, just
Yes,
in
ma'am.
class complete number C. Okay. Tomorrow I'll complete number D and E. Then I'll start the next exercise. Huh? Today just complete this one.
Done,
Okay, ma'am.
All of you done though?
Done, ma'am.
Just I'm giving you 1 minute. Then I'll check your copy.
No, ma'am.